The first order of business, copy the bones. While Stromer described all of his bones by hand, Azar and team use a CT scanner to digitize theirs in, bone by bone, producing a three-dimensional picture accurate down to a fraction of a millimeter. Back in the lab, paleo artist Tyler Keeler then manipulates the hundreds of files and begins assembling a virtual Spinosaurus.
We have just now moved into the digital age for dinosaur reconstruction, in the sense that you can go literally from a bone to a digital model of the bone to a digital skeleton, which you can simplify enough that you can make it move, you can make it walk, you can ultimately put skin on it.
Got it.
The skeleton is about 40% complete. A surprisingly high number compared to most specimens.
Daddy.
Very